Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to talk about Kotlin concepts, which is variables. Now what does variables mean and why to use them and how to use them? We are going to discuss these three stuff inside this code editor. So with that in place, let's get started. So instead of talking about variables, I'm going to put all of this in action to see what we are going to get. So first of all, I'm going to print. Okay, I'm going to use the print function that we used previously to print, for example, my name, okay, or any name that you have, for example. Okay, I'm going to just print it several times. Okay, let's run our application. Let's see what we are going to get. Okay, so wait for it to build this simple program for us, and we are gonna make it very clear in a second. So it's compiling and it should finish right now. Yeah, it's finishing. So as you can see, guys, what we get Adam 4 times, which is just a name. Now guys, let's say for some reasons I wanted to change my name, okay, in this program. For example, I make it not Adam, for example, Chris Adam, or any name that you chose, for example, Chris. Okay, should I go and change it in all the place, for example, like this, manually? Okay, of course it's a bad idea that we go and change everything like this. Okay, that's why variables come in place. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you what variables are. So variables is just think of them like a box, okay, where we can put something inside it. Okay, so and why we should put something inside a box? Okay, just for deal with it later on. Okay, so think for a variable like a box where we can save or store data just to deal with it later on. Okay, and to declare or to create a variable in Kotlin, we use certain keyword, okay, or we use certain syntax that Kotlin give us, and it is by typing the var keyword, okay, then any name, then the value of it. Okay, the value should be right here. I'm just gonna make a comment. Okay, so to declare a variable, first of all we need to type the keyword var, then any name that we prefer, then the equal sign, then the value. Okay, and let's go ahead and put this in action. So I'm gonna type variable, I'm gonna name it my name, I'm gonna assign it to, let's make it back to Bayan Adam. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, instead of printing Chris Adam like this, I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna print once again. Okay, but I'm gonna put my name variable just like this. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate it certain times. Okay, so with that in place, let's run our application and let's see what we get. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the syntax is really simple. Just type var, then any name, then the value. So as you can see, what we get the same result before. Okay, it's all Bayan Adam, so on and so forth. Okay, but now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna, let's see, I just increase the size behind the scenes, that's why you need to watch it very clearly. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna change the name here for, let's say, for example, Chris. Okay, it's any name, and let's run our application. Okay, you will get the idea once we run it. So as you can see, guys, once we run the application, we get the names, but the name, but we didn't change it 4 times or 5 times. We just changed it 1, and we get it in all the application. That's the idea behind the variables. We just change it 1 and it will change directly in all the application. Okay, this is the idea that behind the variables. Now you may be thinking, do we just have variables, for example, like this? Now when you see this double quotation, that's mean this variable of type string. Now the type string, it's just accepting a text inside of it. Of course we can have variables. Let me var, for example, number, it's equal, for example, 12. Okay, and when we print it, let me delete all of these. I'm just gonna use the println instead of print because I want a new line. I'm just gonna give the number. Okay, and once we run our application, I think you will get it. We are gonna see 12. Okay, and we can, as you can see, we have the name and the number 12 as well here. So guys, as you can see, this is the idea behind the variables. It's just a box where we can print something or store something, sorry, inside of it. Now let's go ahead and create a really nice thing. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type the println function, okay, that we have. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna assign of it a string, type my name is. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna concatenate it with the concatenation using the plus sign. My name is my name, then use the variable that we have, then also use the plus sign once again and type and my age is, then the plus sign once again with the number. So let's go ahead and run our application to see what we are gonna get. So as you can see guys, it's really simple to concatenate, sorry for this, it's what I mean by this, as you can see, we get my name is this name and my age is this. Okay, so this is how we put a text and a number or a text with a text together using the plus sign. Okay, do you get the idea? Now this lesson is really important. We talk about variables and we learn how to use them, why to use them, so on and so forth. Now guys, a quick note here, there is another type of variables which is not with the var keyword, it's with the val keyword. Okay, that means when you see a val, a variable with the keyword val, that means this variable we cannot change its value. Okay, that means it has a value that will be never changed. Okay, constant. For example, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a variable, I'm gonna name it father name. Okay, I'm gonna assign it some value, for example Rob. Okay, and in this next line, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the variable name or the variable value to something else. For example, let's choose Lisa or whatever. So as you can see, the IntelliJ IDE give me an error, and if we hover over it, val cannot be reassigned. That means this variable has a value that cannot be changed. But if we go back and type my name and assign another value of it to be Lisa, so as you can see, it's valid. We do not get any error. Okay, now this variable my name has the value of Lisa, and the old value will be will be deleted, or we are not going to take it anymore. Okay, the IDE will take the last value and it will take it and make the action with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we learn from this video. We learn how to create a variable with the var and also with the val keyword, what the difference between them, how to put a text and how to put a number together using the plus sign, and so on and so forth. Now let's end this video by creating a very quick program, and I'm going to make it like a challenge for you. So can you guys create a program that contain for 3 variables? The first one has your name, the second one has your age, and the third one has your where do you live, I mean your country, and to print them using the print function with the type my name is my name is like this, and assign the variable name, then my age like this and my country like this. Okay, so go ahead and create this very simple program that will practice what we have, and pause the video and start now. So hope you guys figure out how to solve it. So first of all, what I'm gonna make a simple diagram, for example, just to create the steps for what we need. Create 3 vars that hold my information. Okay, I'm gonna save all my information inside the variables, then I'm gonna print them, okay, using the print statement or print function. Okay, and last but not least, I'm gonna match or concatenate, I mean put the text and the number together. Okay, sorry for the spelling. Put the number and the text together. Okay, so let's see how we are gonna do it. What I'm gonna do first, as I said, create first variable will be my name. Okay, I'm gonna assign it the value which is my name. Okay, for example, okay, and I'm gonna create the second variable which hold my age. Okay, and the third variable which will be my country. Okay, I'm gonna assign the value. Now the value should be your country. Okay, so I'm gonna type, for example, the USA. Last but not least, I'm gonna print them. Okay, using the print ln. Okay, I'm gonna put everything together. My name is, and I'm gonna add the plus sign just to put it together. Okay, I'm gonna use the variable, not my age, but it's my name. I'm gonna, okay, you get it, and my age is, assign the my age variable. Last but not least, we are gonna add the my, or I am from, then the my country variable. So guys, simple as that. I'm gonna run the program. Let's see what we get. So it's really nice and very simple program that we have. So as you can see, it says my name, it's like this, and my age is this, and I am from the USA. So as you can see guys, that was our lesson about variables and how to create them. Of course, it's not the end. We are gonna in the next video as well, we are gonna go deeper and deeper in the variables. Let's see what we are gonna get. But before end this video, I'm gonna give you a resource. Okay, just I need from you to take a look on it. Okay, if we open Chrome, so as you can see guys, I am here in this website called programs with the Z. Okay, and what I want you to do is go ahead and take a look how to declare a variable in Kotlin, what are the types of variables that we have, so on and so forth. Okay, before we go ahead and take a look on the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you understand it. Go ahead and create very simple programs that has a variables and print them, so on and so forth. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon.